In this episode of Viral Rewind, we're going to look at the Button Microsoft Excel macro virus. So, it comes as an Excel document, however you get it. About 44.5 kilobytes. It's probably got some fake stuff in there, including the macro. See, the author looks like that they tried to spell the word dirty, but it's ditchery. So, I think they tried to spell dirty PC for the author. PC. Contents. Bunch of sheets. Sophos, so we can see that it's a sacrificial goat from Sophos that provided it. And I've gone ahead, because this has Office 2000, and put the macro security to its lowest setting so it doesn't warn or try to block macros from executing. So let me go ahead and open it. Get a busy icon there, and we get a whole bunch of data from the Sophos goat file. But if you notice, we had the normal taskbars up here on Excel, but now we got this little button. And if we hover over it, it says, "Don't press this button." And of course, people are going to want to press it. So, what is this button good for? Absolutely nothing. You can click it all day. It does not do anything except take up taskbar space. So we go into macros. And it actually deletes its macros. So one of the commands that it does is after it runs its macros, it erases all the macros, so you can't go back and view the document, but it leaves this little smiley on the taskbar. Now let's close Excel out. Let's load Excel up. And we see it still has this little smiley here. So, pretty much again makes an addition there. But that's all it does. I'm curious if it's in other programs. No, it looks like it's just Microsoft Excel, so it doesn't add it to any of the other Microsoft Office applications. So, pretty simple macro virus. Pretty harmless. Again, just adds pretty much a useless smiley button to Microsoft Excel's taskbar there that doesn't do anything when you click it. So that's basically it for the Button Microsoft Excel macro virus.